hindi ko ma-describe and hindi ko alam kung paano ko ibabalik sa inyo lahat ng mga pasasalamat ko na yun. Lahat ng mga efforts ninyo. Guys, grabe. As in, grabe. Grabe yung tatag ninyo. Sir RJ! Uy! May bangus! May isda pa talaga sa gabi, no? Thank you, Ate Miss pa. Thank you so much. And again, paulit-ulit ko sinasabi sa inyo, you guys are like a family to me. Sobrang grabe yung pasasalamat ko. Na para ko na kayong mga kapatid, para ko na kayong mga ate, kuya, mga ninong, ninang, mga nanay, mga tatay. Diba? Thank you so much. I love you all. And ayun, sobrang blessed ko pala to have you guys na nagmamahal sa akin. Na alam niyo yun, hindi ko maramdaman sa sarili ko. Tapos kayo yung nagpaparamdam yun. Wala lang. As in. Kaya sobrang talagang na-appreciate ko kayo guys. Salamat sa Salamat guys sa hindi pagsuko. Salamat sa ano ba naman kasi itong music na doon. Salamat talaga. I know, syempre marami rin akong pagkukulang at tao lang din ako at kung ano man yung pagkukulang ko guys, alam niyo yan na lagi kong pupunin. And thank you so much for being always there for me. Yes. Yes, guys. Alam niyo yun. Thank you is not enough para pasalamatan kayo ng pasalamatan. Ang sumubutan. Diba? Yung hindi ko kaya maramdaman sa sarili ko or sa iba, kaya yung nagpaparamdam ng pagmamahal na yun. Kaya yung isa sa mga nagpapagaan sa loob. Kaya gusto kong nagla-live. It's because nakakahanap ako ng comfort dito sa nabuo nating pamilya. Diba? Kaya gusto ko lagi nagla-live. Kasi dito ako nakakahanap ng comfort. Kayo mismo guys. Kaya sa tuwing may event tayo, sa tuwing may mga ganap tayo na nandun kayo, sobrang saya. Sobrang nakakataba ng puso kasi kahit saan tayo pumunta, sumusunod kayo, kahit saan tayo dalhin ng mga brands natin. Talagang all out yung support ninyo and all the way nandyan kayo para sa akin. And guys, sobrang grabe. Hindi yun matutumbasan ni naman. I swear. Tumandaman ako guys, baon-baon ko pa din sa inyo. Baon-baon ko na hindi ako nag-iisa at nandyan kayo lahat. May ads nga eh. Na-ads tayo. Oo nga, na-ads tayo. Bigla tayong na-ads. Yung ano, yung ayun.
With absorbed up here, you can walk it, work it, confident. Let's go, you got it. Let's go with the flow.
We're on.
Napkins for heavy flow. Let's go with the flow. Charlie.
Charmy pa. Oh, sakto yung kanta, It Will Rain. Come on, everyone. Let's go. Hey. If you ever leave me, baby, lips I'm open out my door. 'Cause you will learn a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to be doing, have it anymore. Matras! Ewan ko ba't umatras? It will rain. Ay, nako. Sa self-making by my side to keep you warm. Ate Nika, thank you po. If I lose you, baby, if I lose you, baby, just like the close my eyes will do the same. Rain, rain. Ang aga mag-relapse, no? Thank you for being you, Chan. And thank you for being always there. There goes my little girl, walking without trouble. Some guy. But they're just afraid of something they. And guys, ayun nga guys, as in, grabe. Iba din talaga, iba din yung feeling kapag may mga taong naniniwala at nagsusupport sa'yo. Sobrang iba sa feeling. Like, if I lose you, baby, there'll be no clear sky. If I lose you, baby, just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same. If you walk away, every day will rain. Sabi ni Precious, hiwalayan ko na BF ko, nakakasira ng panonood ko sa'yo. Huy! Hindi ka magaganyan. Wag. Don't you say goodbye. Don't you say if that'll make it right. There'll be no sunlight. If I lose you, baby, there'll be no clear skies. If I lose you, baby, just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same. We can't be a family without you. Wag niyo ako paiyakin. Gusto mo ba kayo magpaiyak? Guys, so gabing-gabi na ako. Gabing-gabi na ako. Papayak pa kayo. It's okay to be okay. It's okay not to be okay. Hoy, napanood nyo na ba yun? Ang ganda! Si Ann Curtis ang gumanap, tsaka si Josh Mojica. Charis! Joshua Garcia! Guys, ang saya, ang ganda, promise. Panoorin ninyo. Oo, grabe! Nakakakilig, grabe yung chemistry. Okay naman yung chemistry. Kahit pa paano, nakakilig siya. Ang galing talaga, iba talaga si Ann magdala. If you walk away, every day it will rain. Oo nga, no? Kung malungkot ka, malungkot din kami. Hindi masaya tayo guys, hindi tayo malungkot. Sobrang saya natin. Diba? Ibaan Curtis, diba guys? Grabe! Hoy guys, panoorin ninyo kasi sobrang nakaka-happy. As in, sobrang nakaka-happy talaga. Be with you.
Oh, now I don't claim being a student, but I'm trying to be.
Bagong gupit tayo guys.
A student, baby.
Wait, tumigil na yung luha ninyo. Tama na yung luha natin dyan. Makipag-ano na lang tayo. Makipag-match na lang tayo. Baka malay mo may ma-match pa tayo.
Don't know much about science.
Hi!
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Are you from South Korea?
Yeah, South Korea.
How are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm good too.
Yeah. Met you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How old are you?
Wow.
How old are you?
I'm 28.
You look like 25.
Oh, 25.
Three years younger than 28 years old.
26?
Yeah. What?
26 win. Wow.
Wow. I mean 24. 4 years. So 25. 25.
25.
yes.
Yeah, where are you from?
Yeah.
Wow, thank you.
I'm from Philippines.
Oh, Philippines, good.
Yeah. Yes. Sometimes visit our country. It's really nice here in the Philippines. It's more fun here. There's a place like Boracay, La Union. Right? Visit Philippines sometimes. What's your name?
My name is
La-
Hopin.
Lucky? What?
Hopin.
Opin.
Hopin. Yeah.
Kupin.
Yeah.
Kupin. Oh, it's like Cupid. It's like Cupid. You know Cupid? When Cupid... Yeah, when Cupid... Yes, Cupid. When you are the target of the Cupid, you will fall in love.
Wow, strong.
Like that.
Very strong.
No, I'm not strong.
Alright, thank you.
I'm weak without everyone here. Yes.
그러니까 200명 있네.
Are you an actor or a model there in Korea? Are you an actor?
Huh?
Are you a model?
모델? Oh, no.
What did you do? What do you do for a living?
I'm Korea Grill restaurant. Yeah.
Oh. You have restaurant, right?
Thank you.
Isn't that right?
Yeah, 이거.
Yeah. Okay. May restaurant daw siya, guys. Oh, you know, guys, here in Korea, there's a word like otoke.
어떻게?
What otoke means? I don't know eh. Can you tell me what's otoke? Otoke!
어떻게?
Yeah, what's that?
어떻게? 뭐라 해야 되지?
What's yobu? And yobu? Yobu!
뭐라 얘기해야 되지? 디나?
What's yobu?
어리스민.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
no.
What's yobu? Yobu means honey, right? In English.
하니?
Honey. Honey, my love, so sweet. Like that.
I don't know. 하니? I don't know.
Yeah, it's honey. You know honey. It's sweet.
honey.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
sweet and it's a lot of sugar. There's no sugar.
My honey.
Basta yun. Yes. You know honey drinks?
Yeah.
Do you drink honey drinks?
Yeah, honey drink.
You know, it's good in throat because when your throat is aching.
이키?
Sorry, I'm not good at English. I'm just practicing right now. You know, I can't speak English fluently.
Or your taste profile.
Yeah.
Soulmates na ba?
어떻게 뭐라 해야 되지?
Itchy worms. You know itchy worms?
Explore sound packs that fit your vibe with Spotify.
Yung
뭐가
ibus na
Honey water.
here, you know that. Yes.
영어로 뭐라 해야 돼? 티나 누나? 어떻게래?
어떡해. Bye. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.
Have a good
Have a nice
night.
day.
And nice meeting you again, Cupin.
Yeah, 호빈.
Cupin.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Arigato gozaimasu. Huwag niyo na ako inaano. Hobin, Utin. Akala ko si Utin. You know, Utin, it's like in your singit of your private parts. That's Utin. You know that? Yes. Utin, ulitin. Yeah. Uy, malaki. Ano na ito, ha? Ito. Si Kang Yu. Kang Yu! Kang Yu naman yan!
Hello.
Hello!
Hello. Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines. Where are you from?
I'm from South Korea.
You're from South Korea. I
Yes.
see. Nice meeting you. What's your name?
My name is Kang-yu.
Kang Yu.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you, Kang Yu. My name is Krish. You can call me Christian. You can call me Chani.
Chen. Okay. Chen.
Chani.
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 Chani, kumusta?
Yeah.
Chani, kumusta ka?
Wow.
Wow.
I'm good.
I'm good.
안녕하세요. 어떡해?
어떻게?
What's 어떡해?
어떻게 is? 파노.
Paano?
Oh.
요거
So, 어떡해? The cow bow. You know that?
어떻게?
어떡해?
네가 너무 좋아. 어떻게?
네가 너무 walang jowa. 어떡해?
Yeah.
Yes, alright.
Yeah, very go.
Yes, thank you so much.
Okay, good match, Chenny. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes.
That's hello.
I like the floral here.
Flower
the
is
flower.
flower
Yes.
is my Hawaiian symbol. Okay?
Oh, is that real?
It's not true. It's not
Oh, yeah,
fake.
true.
Fake is flower. Yes.
It's plastic.
Oh.
It's plastic.
Maybe plastic. Yes. Soft plastic.
Oh, yes,
Yes.
maybe.
Maybe soft plastic.
Yeah.
Hello. Make
Yeah, yeah.
Hello. Double
I
time.
like that.